Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Salem tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this cocoon jacket, or you can call it a rectangular jacket. You can see how beautiful, how it fits. So if you have that 1 yard of fabric and you don't know what to do with it, this is the best style for it. So let's dive into this tutorial. So guys, these are the piece of fabric that I'll be using. I'll be using this Ankara fabric. So I have a total of 2 inches less than a yard. So I have a total of 33 inches. Yes, so it's 33 inches, but 1 yard is enough. Then if you want it wider, or for a more bigger person, or you want it wider, you can use 1.5 is fine. So I'll be using this black fabric to pipe the edge, the cut edge. So let's dive into it. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to, you see this other part, the length of the Ankara. I'm going to take my black fabric. You can see it's torn. It's not the English mouth. So I'm going to take this black fabric. So I have a total of 2 inches on fold. So when it's not fold, it's 4. So I've folded it and I've stitched it down. So I'm going to use this black fabric to pipe it. Please, you are sewing right side to right side. So I'll place it this way and I'm going to sew 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch. It depends on you. So I'll sew it through on this side. And after I'm done with this side, I'm going to move over. So see what I'm doing, I'm going to sew it till I get to the end. Then I'm going to move over to the other side and take the other piece of the fabric, 2 inches on fold. I'm going to sew it. So I'll go sew this thing, I'll show you. So now I'm done sewing it. I had to overlock it for neat finishing, but if you're not close to an overlocking machine, you're good to go. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the fabric together this way. I'm working with the English mouth side, so I'm going to notch the center of that part. I'll do it at the other side of this fabric also. I'll place it together, get the equal parts, and I'm also going to notch it at this part. So after notching this, next we're going to work on our armhole. So what I'll do, from the notch part, which is the middle of the fabric, I'm going to take the measurement of my armhole. My round sleeve measurement is 15 inches. Divide by 2. You know our fabric is on fold, which is 7.5. So you see me marking the 7.5 here. So I'm going to go to the other side, but before I do that, I'm going to notch it. So I will notch it in a way that I'll be able to fold it to have a clean finishing at that armhole, at that round sleeve part. So also at this other part, I'm going to take the same 7.5 I took from the other side. I'm going to mark it here, and also I will do a notching of like 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch, depending on how wide you want the fold to be. So after notching this, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. The place that I notched, from one notch part to the other, that is where I'm going to fold. You can see the way I'm folding it. I'm going to fold this like this, and I'm going to top stitch on it. So guys, I'm done top stitching on it. You can see how it looks. At least it's looking so neat. So I'm going to locate the midpoint, because where I notch, I've been folded inside. So I'm going to locate the midpoint, which is 7.5 inches. And next, I'm going to fold my fabric in a triangular form. You can see the way I'm folding it on that notch mark, because that is the center. So I'll fold this part in a triangular form. I'm going to take the other piece of the fabric and also fold it the same way. You can see we have formed a triangle at that part. So you can see where I've top stitched. So from the place where I didn't top stitch, you can see where my hand is. I'm going to place it together. I'll take to my sewing machine. I'm going to close it till I get to the end. I'm going to do the same thing on the other part of this jacket also. So guys, I'm done. We are done with the sewing. So easy, so quick. So this is how it looks. Let me just fold it for you to see how it looks. So this is how one part looks, and this is how the other part look. The only adjustment you can do on this dress based on sizes is just the armhole, because some persons, their armhole are bigger, while some, their armhole are smaller. So it depends on the person's round armhole measurement or round sleeve measurements. You adjust it accordingly, but every other thing is the same. So guys, thank you for staying with us. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.